Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are unboxing and testing out with a Latte the latest and greatest Starbucks collaboration with Roller Rabbit. Now there are a few different types of cups that come in this collaboration, but this one is by far my favorite. Now they don't technically launch until December 2nd, 2025. However, this one actually was available in a random Starbucks that I walked into, so I had to pick it up. Now this print specifically is white with a lot of motifs from both Starbucks brand and Roller Rabbit's brand. They have texts that say, "Have a good day," "Hello again," "Enjoy." You have motifs from Starbucks like a matcha, a refresher, a latte. The latte even has a little latte art on it in the shape of a heart. The Roller Rabbit monkey is actually holding a Starbucks cup and wearing some Starbucks colored hat accessories and scarf. And then we do have cake pops and we have some coffee beans and some hearts around it. So all in all, this is a very cute collaboration. It's super fresh. It feels like it's, any season. It kind of feels a little bit more summery to me, but I am definitely going to use this all the way through the winter. The one thing that I don't love about this cup is that it does have that sliding bit right there, which I guess is just the nature of this type of cup, but you do have to clean underneath there because bacteria can get trapped. At least it is see-through though, so you can see when it needs some cleaning. Now, this cup is not microwave safe and you do need to hand wash it to preserve all of those beautiful designs, so just keep that in mind. Alrighty, we have endeavored to try out the cup itself. Now I am going to make just a basic latte this morning with some frothy milk from our Nespresso machine. I am a huge Nespresso advocate. I really love Nespresso. I will link to the machine that I'm using here, but I think honestly any of the machines are really nice. Especially around Black Friday or on Amazon, you'll probably be able to get one at a steal of a deal. Now, all in all, having tried this out, I just really love the cup. It feels really nice. It feels really, smooth on the clear part when you drink from it, or just kind of fun to use. So that is my latte. I'm going to go enjoy this. Let me know if you have any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.